Alright people, so today we're making a nice bread pudding.
Me no fi cook up pot, me no fi depend for no one. No fi season up me meat with me thyme and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and a touch of garlic. Chat up and a mention.
So here we have the ingredient. You have your butter, your cinnamon stick, your coconut, your nutmeg, your stale bread, flour, and your sugar. So we have one coconut. I grate the coconut to get the coconut milk. Now this you can make with the regular milk if you want, normal cow milk. You choose to make it with coconut milk. You could use cow milk if you want. No problem at all. So here we have the milk. So again we have the ingredients then. So what you want to know is just put a little bit of water in the pan. And you going broke up the bread in the pan. Yeah, just like that. Now you add the coconut milk. Again, you could use regular milk if you want. We're just going to stir it good for the bread broke up good, you know. You add your flour. Oh, this is not tablespoon, this is not teaspoon, this must be a big spoon. I don't know, just a big spoon. You add your flour. The amount of flour we add, see how much it is. Next thing we add is we add butter. This butter we melt the butter. We melt the butter and then we add it in there. Yeah, just like that, see? You stir that up good. Everything blend together. Now you add your cinnamon stick. Remember we beat the cinnamon stick and we get the powder, so we add cinnamon stick in powder. Ah, this is to taste. Add how much you need, how much you want. Now we add the nutmeg. See the difference? See, nutmeg, exactly. And you add some vanilla. No, just a little tapaful. Again, to taste. This one is optional if you want to add that or not. And you add your sugar. Add your sugar, you taste it to what you like it. Don't put it too sweet. Stir it up good. So it should look something like this. Now what we can do here, you could the pan that you can bake it in, you could grease it up, or in this case we just melt a butter, a piece of butter, we melt that and then add the mixer right into that. Yeah, now this we put for bake. Yep. Alright. So see it there. Okay, so this thing ready, this done bake. We'll leave it for nearly 2 hours baking. Okay, so let's cut it and see how we look then. Let's cut it. That's how Chef Chaka would say. Delicious. Not tell me say you reach to the end of the video and not subscribe yet. Subscribe no man.